This video was digitized from a reel of silent Super 8mm film, and you're flying along with the 335th Assault Helicopter Company, known as the Cowboys, and looking out at one of the door gunners there having a smoke. And this film belonged to SP5 Robert Podewils, and he was with the Cowboys from 1968 to 69. And this is footage of them in 1969. And they flew out of Bearcat Base, Vietnam, near Ben Ho and Long Tran North Airfield. And here you're going to see them. Looks like they're going to go into looks like a HUD LZ here, HUD landing zone with the smoke. And then you're going to see some machine gun fire as they're lighting something up. And I think this is them coming into Long Than North Airfield there at Bearcat Base. And the film was marked 924. I don't know if that's the helicopter number. First day out with machine gun fire. So yeah, hope you enjoy this this ride with the 335th Assault Helicopter Company, the Cowboys, Vietnam, 1969. I hope you enjoyed this bit of history. Try to upload military and patriotic videos to my site here, about every other day. And if you're interested in a good read, check out my books at www.edsemler.com.